We get asked a lot, what is our premium managed service package? And if you're doing research out there on other managed service providers, which that's us, they a lot of times will have these wonderful metal named packages. And what we found is that a lot of times they'll choose the cheap one with the expectation of service for the top one. So we really have set it up so that we only have one package. We call it our premium managed services. And that allows us to include a lot of different wonderful products that will aid your life in being better, but it allows us to include email. It allows us to include a new firewall. It allows us to include all of the backups for your servers, unlimited access to our support desk, on-site services needed. So our premium managed service package really is very all-encompassing, and the only thing it doesn't cover is that hardware for a new person when you add a new employee. But depending on how you set up the premium managed service package with us, it could even potentially include that. So you know that when that new user's coming on, you're just going to pay a flat per month rate. And if anything happens with that computer inside of 3 years, it's completely taken care of. And then at the end of 3 years, we can just roll the package over. We walk in with all new equipment. You keep your productivity really high because you have current, up-to-date, always functioning hardware. And it also looks really cool. We use some really amazing little computers that are fast, but they're tagged in with really nice monitors, and it's just a really, really clean setup. So our premium managed services is really as all-encompassing as you need it to be, but by eliminating all the other packages, it's allowed us to really focus in on the one thing we can deliver best to you. Premium managed services. We do IT really well.